Good afternoon and welcome to another ROFFS Weekly Gulf of Mexico Ocean Conditions Update. This is the week of October 18th, 2022, and we just want to give you an overall update of the conditions in the Gulf. Starting off, southwest of Mississippi Canyon, sort of east-southeast of Green Canyon, you still have this large clockwise rotating sort of egg-shaped now loop current eddy. Remains to be seen if the bottom side will sort of rotate around to the west, to the left, making it more north-south oriented. But the bottom line is, as it's drifted a little bit further west, it's continued to bring greenish to blue-green water down out over Mississippi Canyon and off to the southeast. The loop current here off southwest of Tampa remains pretty far offshore, with the eastern edge coming in south of the box over the steppes region. Has continued to push a little bit further north, and with that, the good thing is you can see this nice cleaner water coming off the northern side around over Lord's Ridge up into the DeSoto Canyon, some of it up over the nipple, and into the spur in towards the nipple and non-exploded ordnance, and then you also have some of it coming in over the steppes and all the way off to the southwest, south of the steppes towards the Tuna Mountain 960 Hill, and all the way over south of the Delta, and now actually into Mississippi Canyon and the dump site, due to this sort of overall large eddy counterclockwise circulation centered here. But what's a little different is, now that this loop current eddy has shifted a little bit west, this circulation here has sort of grown in size a little bit, and this water that's now coming up over the DeSoto Canyon, south of the steppes, and then southwest of the Delta towards the Mississippi Canyon and the dump site, is now water that's coming up off the loop current and all the way over. It is no longer like it had been for several weeks, water associated with this loop current eddy. But the bottom line is, conditions continue to improve in the northeastern Gulf. Now there's a sort of a little bit of an injection of a loop current water coming up in here. Conditions out towards southwest of Mississippi Canyon over towards the Green Canyon still look good. You still have the circulation of the loop current eddy out there, still looks decent. And as you progress westward towards the Flower Gardens area, inshore of the dump, over towards the East Breaks, and inshore of the East Breaks towards the Falcon's Nest and Randus Bank, Hospital Rock, and inshore of the Nueces Dome. You do have a counterclockwise eddy here that's helping the blue water come in off to the northwest, and then to the west and southwest inshore, 40-50 fathoms. Offshore, you have a series of several eddies, some rotating counterclockwise, some rotating clockwise, that continue to help the blue water up Camel's Head, east of Colt 45, towards the Mansfield Dome, Willacy Dome, and out towards the area south of the East Breaks and over the dump and towards the Flower Gardens area. Bottom line is, southwest of the Mississippi Canyon, out over the ledges offshore of 100 fathoms, all the way west towards the area off Aransas Pass, conditions still look good. Southeast of Aransas Pass, Brazos Santiago Pass, conditions still look good offshore as well, with a lot of blue water. That's about it for this week. Tight lines, safe fishing. Don't forget, you can always call the office to order. It's 321-723-5759 during our normal business hours for the fall and winter, which are now 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're now closed Saturday. If you do not order during office hours, you can always order on our website, www.roffs.com, and do not forget to follow us for frequent updates on our social media channels, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Our handle is @ROFFSFishing. That's about it for this week. I'll come at you again next week. After next week, we'll probably cut these updates down to once every other week, corresponding with our with our newsletter as the season winds down. That's about it. Thank you.